The Scope module is designed to provide comprehensive oversight and control over your project's scope. There is a clear indication of hierarchical relationships between project elements. Since it's a task tree, you can perform a series of actions to shape it however you want, including moving individual issues along the tree. Indenting and outdenting them to create complex hierarchies. You can also collapse and expand individual issues with just one click to focus on specific tasks or project phases. The column views let you track data on the individual task or group of tasks. Each column view can be adjusted by adding and aggregating the individual columns. When you create a new column view, save it for later. This will allow you to build a list of unique column views you can switch between on the fly. With the customized views, you will always see only the data that meets your business needs at any given moment. You can further leverage the active columns in your view to sort and organize all the visible issues with the Group Tasks option. While your issues are grouped, you can still inline edit and aggregate them. There are dozens of columns to choose from, allowing you to combine them in many ways to access useful data. The Scope module's unique Detail View sidebar is the compact and editable view of the selected task's actual Jira issue detail page. It lets you manage a task as if you were in Jira, but without leaving BigPicture. You can quickly edit fields that are not present in your current column view or cannot be added as columns. Note that there are subtle differences in the Scope module between the cloud and data center versions of BigPicture. With the cloud version, click the Quick Preview button to see the detail view. The search box functionality helps you quickly find tasks you're interested in, and it operates in text and JQL modes. You can also narrow down the visible scope of the task list with predefined or custom JQL statements. In short, the Scope module provides a complete overview of your project tasks. You can groom, prioritize, and structure your data, and even manage your tasks directly on the Jira issue detail pages.